I know y'all did not expect another episode of Liarthur's hair journey right after I just posted one. Right after, 2 in a row. Anyways, but yeah, y'all. Today in Liarthur's hair journey episode 2, we're gonna be trying to get I met finger coils and then curls. It's that simple. The products I'll be using, really it's just curl smoothie. Gotta get y'all right. Feel me? It's the same ones. If you know, you know. Wetline Extreme Gel. If y'all want me to try out different products, let me know down in the comments below. And hold on. Here's the water with a little bit of leave-in in. Gotta fill it up a little more. Hold on. As y'all can see, I did a little finger coil right here just to see if I could really do it on my short hair, because I want to plan a whole video and then not be able to actually get finger coils. But I got one little one right here. I just don't know how long the rest is gonna take to do. OGs know that normally I would mix this with this, the curl cream, in a little bowl, right? I'd mix it and then put that in my hair. But because my hair is shorter, I'm pretty sure the curl cream ain't going nowhere. Feel me? I'm pretty sure it's still in my hair. You could probably see a little bit of white. So I'm really just gonna use the gel. And the gel is really what makes it like stay. So there's really no point in adding curl cream, but yeah. And like in every hair video, your hair must be extremely wet throughout the whole process. Because my hair is shorter now, I'm not gonna lie, it don't take as long as it used to, because it used to take a little minute before I had to complete one finger coil. It's also important to separate your hair well, or separate the coils well. It don't gotta be no like perfect box braid type of separation, but you feel me, you just gotta make sure they're separated well enough, you feel me? Yep, says part 2, but feel me? I want y'all to keep in mind though, this is a attempt. So this shit probably gonna look ugly. It's probably not gonna look good, and it's gonna like, you feel me? It's not gonna be the best because it's my very first time doing it on my short hair. 6 months of growth. Yo, I remember it was days where, especially when my hair got really long, like last year, towards the middle of last year, it was days where I'd sit in the bathroom on school nights. I'm graduating now, so I don't really have to worry about that, but on school nights where I would stay up till about, one day I remember I had to do a video. I forgot which video it was. I think it was this video. But I remember I had to do that video, right? And I stayed up I started filming, or getting ready to film, because I shampoo, shower, and clean the whole bathroom. And you know, all that shit before I actually do the video. I started at 5 and I didn't wrap everything up till 5 a.m. I started at 5 p.m. on a school night and didn't finish till 5 a.m. 2 hours later, I had to go to school. Went just like that, bro. I'm trying to tell you, I really like be trying to work hard. Feel me? Because once you start something, you can't stop, bro. You have to finish. So now that I started this, I got 3 coils in. I have to finish. Feel me?
Later that night.
Halfway done. Oh my goodness. Really be halfway done. Haven't stayed up to do a hair video in a little minute. But y'all tell me what y'all think.
A little while later.
It's currently 6:13 a.m. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little thumbnail real quick. I'm gonna go take a break though, bro. I'm tired. And as in previous videos, I'm gonna use the wild hair growth oil. I know sometimes people, they kind of just like squirt it onto their hair or whatever, but I like using my hands more and just kind of massaging it in. I think it's better and it spreads more that way. I don't know, maybe it's just me. And I only put on a do-rag right here because, you feel me, I had to go to sleep. Like, I stayed up all night. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be a minute before I do this again, ever. That took too long, way too long. 9 hours. I mean, I did take my breaks, I did do this and that and this and that, but estimated, okay, it's estimated about 7.5 hours. Y'all just leave a like, that's all I really care about. Feel me? I have to stay up all night. Just leave a like, that's all I really care about. Yeah, but as you can see, it's ugly. It does not look good at all. I look like I got worms in my hair. Like, these look like, you know them niggas that do the little starter dread shit? They'll have like little starter dreads and they'll look like worms. You feel me? They just keep saying trust the process and eventually it grows out and it looks nice. That's what I look like right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'll probably wet it so it looks just a little better. Alright, gonna get a thumbnail now. To all y'all upcoming YouTubers, or people that want to be YouTubers, a thumbnail is very, very important. And in the past, I've made mistakes of not getting a thumbnail. And because of that, sometimes I finish a whole video and I have to go back through a video to look for a thumbnail. And then I don't end up getting a good one. And I'm not the best graphic designer, I'm not the best thumbnail maker. So sometimes, you know, I can't really be creative enough. I'm not really creative enough. Well, let me not say that, I can be. But, you know, I'm not always creative enough to make something out of nothing or something out of a really bad screenshot, you feel me? Yeah. Oh, forgot one important thing. Before you do that, I personally do this, but I put curling cream or curl smoothie all around my hair, so you feel me, it will have a little product in it. Not too much, you feel me? I'm just putting about this much in. Add some water so it spreads a little more. And then yeah. Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, What y'all thinking? I don't know why I did it off camera, but I also added a little bit of gel. I'll demonstrate it again. Hold on, just give me a sec. Feel me? Whenever you're getting curls, one of the most important rules is make sure your hair is extremely wet, or at least a little wet throughout the entire process. So yeah, Wetline Extreme Gel, the best gel in my personal opinion. Feel me? What y'all think, bro? Is that curly? I think that might be curls. Anyways, lift the roots. I can even shake it a little bit. Oh my god, my hair's coming back. I haven't been able to shake in months. Alright, well, I guess that concludes this episode of Liarthur's hair journey. Y'all make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate everything y'all do from the bottom of my heart. More videos coming soon. You feel me? I'm trying to mix the IRL content and the hair content, but it's kind of hard to balance that. So y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all want to see. Yeah. God bless y'all and have a good day.
Say they is. They don't check up on me, but they pray that I make it big. Take a risk, it be hard to win, cause the game is rigged. They were doing all that dig around, come out the closet now.